Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in, so start by opening YouTube and going straight to your channel, then click Customize Channel. This gets you into channel settings where the profile photo lives. You upload via channel customization because YouTube pulls images from your Google account otherwise, so make sure the image is the right size and format. Once you're in customization, select branding, then profile picture. That first click begins the update process and moves you from setup to action. Now upload the image you prepared. Click Change under Profile Picture and choose the file. You'll see a crop tool. Drag and zoom to center the subject because YouTube displays it as a circle and in multiple aspect contexts. Make sure the face or logo fits inside the safe area so nothing gets cut off on mobile. Once adjusted, hit Done, then Publish in the top right of customization. This commits the change across YouTube and Google profile systems. Finish by clicking Publish and immediately check your channel page to confirm the new avatar displays. Sometimes it shows instantly, other times it takes a few minutes. Make sure to view on mobile and desktop because caches differ. If you don't see the update, clear your browser cache or force refresh. If that fails, change the photo in your Google account profile instead. Then give the system up to 24 to 48 hours to propagate. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.